Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing another advent calendar for this season. We are on a roll right now, you guys, so we're going to keep the momentum going. I am still on a mission trying to find an advent calendar for everyone this year. So today we are unboxing the Glow Recipe advent calendar. Now, it's my understanding that this is the first time that Glow Recipes ever put out an advent before. So I went ahead and ordered one of these because Glow Recipe is one of those brands that I've always said, it's my top 3 brand. I love Fenty Beauty, I love Glow Recipe, and I love Sunday Riley. So those 3, if they put out an advent calendar, I'm going to be all over it. I have tried so many products from Glow Recipe that for me, this is a very affordable way for me to use products that I'm already currently using. So it was a no-brainer. But I also just really want to know what they're going to put out, and I just want to see their take on an advent. So I went ahead and purchased it, and we're going to do a full unboxing today, and you guys can check it all out with me. I have not opened it yet, so let's go ahead and get started and see this advent. So this is what my advent calendar looks like from Glow Recipe. Is it not cute? It's definitely giving me the Glow Recipe vibe. You know what I mean? They love to use a lot of fruit with their products or vegetables or things like that. So I think what's great is that they're still incorporating that into their calendar and doing a very cute, fun look. So as you guys can see, this is a 12-day calendar. So there will be 12 items inside of this. It retailed for $75 on the website with free shipping, but I just checked it before filming this video and it's already sold out, you guys. So I don't know if Glow Recipe was not expecting that much of a demand, or if seriously everybody and their mother went and bought one of these. I don't know, but it's already sold out and it was only up for like a week. It's crazy. So if it does come back in stock, I'm going to include the link down below for you guys. That way you can check it. But my hunch is that it's actually sold out and not coming back. Now, when I did make this purchase, it came along with a couple of foil sample packets. You were able to choose these at checkout and then add them to your cart for free. So I do have 2 extra foils in here. The first one that I had is their Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. And then the other one that I went with is their Avocado Cleanser. So these are the 2 foils that were included in my box. When you open up the calendar, it looks like this. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? So you get the fun inside that you have on the outside. Like, it just continues. I love it. It gives me like this Saturday morning cartoon vibe, and it's just so cute. So door number 1 is one of our larger doors, and it looks like this. So they're just cardboard packaging here. Nothing too fancy, honestly, when it comes to the drawers. I've seen better, let's be real. So the first item that I have in here is the Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. So the foil that I just got for free, we now have their minis version. This one is 25 ml or 0.84 ounces. It is one of their best products, and I do use this. They also have gorgeous packaging because this one's like all divoted and it's just funky shapes, and I do love it. So if you guys are looking for a really great night treatment, this one is really good. This will help to firm and brighten your skin overnight. It has a 2.5% PHA balancing AHA complex. And it says that this one is going to help to maintain your skin's barrier, and it's also going to balance out that pH level, but you're going to get smooth, hydrated skin after using this product. In door number 2, we have the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. So this is one of their minis. It's 5 ml of product, but this one is going to be a serum for your skin. In door number 3, we have the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is the first product, I'm pretty sure this is the product that got me started with Glow Recipe. And I received it in like a BoxyCharm, I think years ago. And these dewdrops came in the box and it's a beautiful shape. It's like a teardrop or something. And I remember using it and I noticed a massive difference in my skin afterwards, that it was glowing. And then what really did it is I made a few videos after that for YouTube and my subscribers said, you look like you're glowing. I do know a lot of people thought I was pregnant at the time, which that wasn't the case. But I was like, okay, if other people are noticing, then I know this is working. And then, you know, it just went from there and the addiction began. And now I have like all of their products. In door number 4, we have their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So this is a facial mist. It is a delicate mist, so it's safe for sensitive skin, and it will have watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that will help to refresh and soften your skin. So this one is 75 ml of product, and this is what it will look like here. Typically, you're going to want to shake this up before using this, and then it will stand up on itself like this. And then when you want to use it, you're going to have your spritzer down below. Door number 5 has the Strawberry Pore Smooth Blur Drops. So this is a blurring serum that you're able to put down, and it will help to blur any of those pores that you might have. Typically, I'll use these kind of in like this region here, and it will help to blur any texture that you might have. Now in door number 6, we have, oh, we got multiples though, but we have hair clips. Actually, I think these are the ones that hold your hair back. So I have 2 packages, but there's 2 clips in each, so I have a total of 4. I'm only going to open one of them here. But these are the ones that you use when you want to put your hair back to do your skincare routine. So they're those paddles, and they're just a really simple clip, and you can just put this here for your hair, and it will help hold back your hair. That way you can do your full skincare or makeup routine. You can do either of them. The great thing about it is it's not gonna mess up your hair at all. It's gonna keep its shape because of the paddle. So these are nice, but I will say, okay, Glow Recipe, I really like your products, and I'm very pleased so far with my Advent, but these are cheap. I'll be really brutally honest here. They're very cheap. They feel cheap. They don't feel like they're made well. The edges on here are rough. They're not smooth at all. This is not that great of a product. And honestly, it's like, okay, I know Glow Recipe and love their products that I would expect better than this. So this is not that great. Next up, we have their Plum Plump Serum. This one is to die for. So it features hyaluronic acid. This is a glass jar, and this is actually one of their deluxe travel sizes. So this is quite a bit larger than the other one. We have here 10 ml of product, so it's double than some of the other serums. So if you compare it to like this serum here, this is quite a bit more that you're getting. Next up, we have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. So this is going to be the mini version, but this is a lightweight creamy gel moisturizer, and it is going to give you that hydration, but also plump up your skin a little bit as well. It'll make it more supple. So here's what it looks like. And what's great is this one still has the plum shape with the glass. So a lot of the larger jars are gonna look like the actual fruits that are inside of them. And this one is the mini version. So I love that we got one that still embodies the Glow Recipe look, because a lot of these other ones are just the little tubes and you can't really tell. Like, it's just not as cute as like these ones. Door number 9 has the Watermelon Glow Body Cream. So this is a body hydrator, and it is really soft and safe for sensitive skin. It's a little bit more whipped for the consistency, so it's very lightweight and it's very creamy. Our 10th item in the box is the Pomegranate Firming Serum. Now this one I've not tried. I've not tried anything with pomegranate in it. It's 5 ml of product for this serum, but it says it's a firming one. So I didn't even realize they had this, to be honest with you guys. I don't remember anything pomegranate in their lineup. Apparently I'm behind. In door number 11, we have the Plum Plump Gloss Balm. So this is the balm for your lips, and it's going to give you shine and hydration, but it's also going to plump your lips up as well. I think this one is a full-size product. I could be wrong here, but this is what it looks like in the jar. And then again, you've got the cute little plum in the glass jar over here. So cute. So this one, yeah, it's plumping, it's moisturizing, it does everything you're gonna want for your lips, especially going into winter. This is perfect to have on hand. Now the last day that we have here is door number 12. Oh, this is a spatula. This is kind of sad. Glow Recipe Skincare Spatula. I'm sorry, but like, we gotta build up here, and you're giving me a spatula for the last day? This says it's a reusable and sustainable spatula to enjoy with all of Glow Recipe's formulas. Well, I do think that's great, but a lot of them do come with spatulas in it. And I mean, I get it. They do, I can see why they would have these spatulas because they do use them quite a bit. It is a nice one. It's all silver, it's weighted, it's metal. It is nice. But I would have much rathered a product over a spatula. I'll be honest, you guys. Like, this is, at least though, it is not a cheap quality. I don't think it's cheap like the hair clips are. So it is definitely better than the hair clips, but I still would have rather had a product. So that is everything inside of the advent calendar from Glow Recipe. I gotta say, this is definitely my calendar because, like I keep saying, I love Glow Recipe. I will use all of these products in here. Maybe with the exception of the hair clips, I probably won't use those, but everything else I will 100% use. So I'm thrilled with this today. I wish it hadn't sold out so quickly because I just know for those of you that love Glow Recipe and love the brand and the products, you want to try some of the new ones, $75 is a steal to try out any of their items. And I can't believe it's already sold out. So I really hope they bring something back similar to this because I do think this is awesome. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think though. Would you spend $75 on this calendar? We can chit chat about it. If I do see it coming back in stock too, I will definitely let you guys know over on my community page here on YouTube. And don't forget to check out the other advent calendars I've unboxed so far. I have a whole playlist here on YouTube and I have more to come, so definitely check all of those out. You don't want to miss it this season. We've had some really exciting ones in there. We've had some not so exciting ones as well. There's a lot going on. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye!